The police car shown for each country is a commonly recognized or widely used model. Many countries use multiple police vehicle models depending on the region, department, and purpose. This video highlights one of the most well-known police car models for each country, not the only one. Brazilian police car Renault Duster. Russian police car Lada Granta. South Korean police car Hyundai Sonata. Vietnamese police car Mitsubishi Pajero. Indonesian police car Toyota Avanza. Bangladeshi police car Toyota Hilux. Canadian police car Ford Explorer. Italian police car Lamborghini Huracan. Emirati police car Toyota Land Cruiser. Egyptian police car Jeep Wrangler. Australian police car Toyota Camry. Indian police car Maruti Suzuki Ertiga. Argentine police car Peugeot 408. American police car Ford Interceptor Utility. Saudi Arabian police car Nissan Patrol. French police car Peugeot 5008. Singaporean police car Hyundai Tucson. British police car Vauxhall Astra. Spanish police car Seat Leon. Mexican police car Dodge Charger. German police car Volkswagen Passat. New Zealander police car Skoda Superb. South African police car Toyota Hilux. Chinese police car Volkswagen Santana. Thai police car Isuzu D-Max. Pakistani police car Toyota Hilux. Turkish police car Ford Transit Courier. Greek police car Peugeot 308. Israeli police car Kia Sorento. Polish police car Kia Ceed. Qatari police car Toyota Land Cruiser. Malaysian police car Honda Civic. Georgian police car Skoda Octavia. Chilean police car Dodge Durango. Iranian police car IKCO Samanda. Swiss police car BMW X3. Irish police car Hyundai Tucson. Nigerian police car Toyota Hilux. Japanese police car Toyota Crown. Filipino police car Toyota Hilux. If you enjoy the video, so like the video and subscribe to our channel and share to your friends and comment your favorite car.